Let's introduce you to the address of your dream home and the perfect place to kickstart your extraordinary academic journey under the shadow of the flamboyant architecture of Toronto. Harrington Housing Liberty Village is where you get to enjoy the ultimate comfort, convenience, and luxury. Nestled in the heart of the city, this student accommodation offers shared apartments thoughtfully designed to cater to the needs of students. A private bedroom with a plush bed with fresh linen, a study desk, a large wardrobe, a desk lamp, a bookshelf, and a TV. Ain't it all that you want? There's a lot more. You'll be able to cook in a fully equipped kitchen, relax in the bathtub in a lavish bathroom, access to free Wi-Fi, gym membership, lounge pools, a washer and dryer washing away the laundry issues, and a co-working space with ample common areas to socialize. The best part is that all bills are included in the rent, so no extra expenses are made. The prime location is only 17 minutes drive from the University of Toronto, Toronto School of Management, and University College. A short stroll down the street takes you to a haven of restaurants and stores including McDonald's, Freshie, Merci Mon Ami, Metro Supermarket, and many more. As a matter of luck, 3 transit stops are across the street, one of which is just at arm's reach. If that sounds perfect, book your spot now at amberstudent.com.